Hi, sorry about that. The camera just cut off for a sec. Okay, I accidentally clicked outside the application. Problem is that window isn't coming back up. So we can just, basically if you enter something in the test score text box .text, test score will point at to it, and this variable should change to whatever you entered. In this case, test score is doesn't tell us what it is, does it? Why doesn't it tell us what it is? Maybe it would tell us in a sec. So let's just try to step out. Oh great, I think I should have stepped over, not out. Let's redo that. Okay, now we're in the wrong place, so let's go back to that. For some reason, the form wasn't coming up. Stupid thing. Okay, so let's enter. I'm going to enter test score here. Whatever. Hit grade. Now, I don't know why that disappeared. It doesn't let me access that without turning the camera off. I literally have to go to my desktop to see it, which is dumb. There should have been somewhere a way to just kind of put it up in here, which it doesn't let me do. Is there a way? How did I fix that before? That's silly. Okay, let me just see here. I'm just trying to remember how I did that before. There should be a kind of a modify run configurations. Is that it? Something about external window, which I wish I'm trying to turn that off. If they have that somewhere. Where can I find settings here? View mode. No, that's not really our settings. Great. I swear it was in here before. Use external console. Oh, it's already on. Unchecked. Great, I don't think this is possible for it to squeeze it in there. Appearance editor. Sorry, I'm just looking at the options. I don't think you guys can see it because it only gets one window at a time, maybe. Trying to get build, execution, debugger, run. Is there anything about the GUI? Deployment. I should ask ChatGPT. Apparently there's a new one out, GPT-4 or something. GP4, I saw it on YouTube yesterday. I didn't actually look at it. Okay, this isn't very helpful. General. Alright, I'll try to get that for next time. I might just ask ChatGPT actually about this. If there's a way to squeeze the GUI in here somewhere. That way we can just do this properly. For now, let's just try to go with this. So we're here. We'll step into. then we'll step over. So it's saying if test score is less than 60. Right now it's saying test score is 90. So that's kind of good. That's just auto-generate, or just remember what I clicked last time. Something like that, so that's helpful at least. So in this case, as you can see, we have test score, which tells us it's a double. Okay, perfect. Where's our string? So really we only have one variable, which is a double. Test score. Excuse me. So we have test score that's a double. So if test score is less than 60, which it's not, it's greater than 60 because it's 90. So if we step into or try to, this block will get skipped from here to here. So let's try to step in. So now it's saying, okay, well, if now we're at else because it wasn't 60, it was 90, so this block got skipped. You guys can see that. None of our variables changed, so we have test score still pointing to 90. So in this case, we have else. So I'm going to step into the else. So it's going to say, okay, well, if test score is less than 70, it's not because test score is 90. Once again, this if will get skipped there to there. So else, step in again because it's just kind of hovering here. So if test score is less than 80, which it's not, it's 90. Therefore this if will get skipped again. Step in. Else, we're going to be coming to there again, so we'll have to step in because it's just floating on that else. So if test score is less than 90, which it is not because it's 90, which is not less than, it's equal to. So if it's not less than, and it's not equal to, then it's not. So if it's not less than, but it is equal to, then this condition will be false, so this if will get skipped once again, so we'll step in should be fine. So else, so we end up here automatically in that case. Step in, because it's just floating on this square bracket. Okay, usually they have, in JetBrains IDEs, it usually does skip down into the next, or the first part of the else, but this way is fine. At least you know that it's how the code's traveling. Kind of the execution flow, so then now we'll just step in again. So now we have gray label.text, which we really don't have. Can't see a gray label here. Let's see if we can find it. Could be hiding somewhere. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I forgot my alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P. Isn't that right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yeah, I don't see it in this. E. Nope, wouldn't be there. Sender. Great. B, C, D, E, F, G. That's not helpful, it's not even showing us there. There's more threads though, could it be in another thread? But. Label. That isn't helpful. Looking for a label here, which we didn't. Perhaps if you just do it in the drag and drop, it doesn't show you everything in the debugger. That's silly. Let's just see, sorry about that. This tutorial's taking a longer time, but I guess we're getting used to the debugger here, so let's just try to find, if we can, I'm trying to look for grade label, if we can find that. Determine grade button dot click. Okay, it wouldn't be in there, would it? Where's grade label? Systems dot windows dot forms dot label. Maybe I was looking for something else. Let's go with L. Maybe S. Really all this stuff and they don't have that. It's just hiding somewhere. Oh, come on, man. Where is it at? I'm really not seeing it, which is really dumb. This. It says it's in here. Systems dot Windows system dot. Nope. Just says Windows Form app 15. Go down to S. Systems dot Windows dot form. Systems dot Windows or system dot Windows dot forms dot label, which I don't see. I see layout. God, where is this thing? That's really silly. Whoops. Maybe because it's just perhaps it just is hiding from the debugger because we actually didn't code it in. That's dumb though. Should be showing here somewhere because all this extra stuff is here, so that doesn't make sense. That is silly, isn't it? Could it be sender? No. I'm just going to try to scroll down on the, see if anything pops up on the right. Last attempt here. System. Okay, now it's popping up. Grade label. Now it's popping up. Didn't we already look through here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yeah, we did. That's the first place that we looked. Don't see it in there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Because it just goes from F to H. That means it's hiding. Or maybe it's under L label. A, B, C, D, E, F. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Nope, it goes from last. There's no LAP. That is so dumb. I think it's just hiding. That is so dumb. Like, it should be there. Everything else is here, so why isn't that there? Systems.windows.forums.label. Text. Still not there. That is dumb as hell. Text. Oops. What did I click? That is dumb. Okay, so this got switched. Something might have gotten mixed up in here. Anyways, you guys get the idea. So that's the end of the code, pretty much. If I go debug, step over. Where is it now? Oh, it's here. Okay, the arrow shows you where you currently are, so we'll step over that. Step over that. Step over, catch. No, didn't get the catch. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry for that. Took some time to look for that variable. Couldn't find it in the debugger, maybe because of if just really silly, it's just hiding somewhere, or we just can't see it for some reason because we didn't define it. So in the next one, we'll be continuing on with the C# tutorial. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys liked the tutorial, you can like and subscribe to the channel to support the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.